In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. The pen tool is one of the most powerful tools in Illustrator, and once you understand how it works, you'll be able to create precise shapes, smooth curves, logos, icons, and detailed vector artwork with complete control. A lot of beginners feel intimidated by the pen tool at first, but the truth is it becomes very easy once you understand a few simple concepts about anchor points and paths. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so you can start using the pen tool confidently in your own designs. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in and start with the basics. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document, or open any project you want to practice in. Once your artboard is visible, go over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen and look for the pen tool. The icon looks like the tip of a fountain pen. You can also quickly activate it by pressing the P key on your keyboard, which is a useful shortcut you'll probably use often when working in Illustrator. Selecting the pen tool prepares Illustrator to start creating anchor points and connecting them with paths. Now let's create the first anchor point. Move your cursor anywhere on the artboard and simply click once. When you click, Illustrator places a small square point called an anchor point. Anchor points are the foundation of every path you create with the pen tool. Think of them as the points that define where a line begins, ends, or changes direction. Right now, you only have one point, so nothing is connected yet, but this will become the starting point of your path. Next, move your cursor somewhere else on the artboard and click again. As soon as you click the second time, Illustrator creates another anchor point and automatically connects it to the first point with a straight line. This line between two anchor points is called a path segment. If you keep clicking in different locations, Illustrator will continue adding more anchor points and connecting them with straight lines. This is the simplest way to create geometric shapes and straight-edge designs using the pen tool. But the real power of the pen tool appears when you start creating curves. Instead of just clicking to place a point, click and drag your mouse when placing the next anchor point. When you drag, you'll see direction handles extending from the anchor point. These handles control the direction and smoothness of the curve. By adjusting how far you drag and the angle you move your mouse, you can control how dramatic or subtle the curve becomes. This is how designers create smooth, flowing shapes, organic illustrations, and professional vector graphics. Continue adding more anchor points across the artboard. You can mix straight points and curved points, depending on what kind of shape you want to build. For example, you might click once to create a straight corner, then click and drag for a curved section, then click again for another sharp edge. As you practice, you'll start to understand how anchor points and direction handles work together to shape your paths. The more you experiment, the more natural it will feel. Once you've added several points and want to turn your path into a complete shape, move your cursor back to the very first anchor point you created. When your cursor hovers over it, you'll see a small circle icon appear next to the pen tool cursor. This indicates that Illustrator is about to close the path. Click that first anchor point again, and Illustrator will connect the final segment and close the shape. And that's the basic workflow for using the pen tool in Adobe Illustrator. You select the pen tool, place anchor points, connect them with straight lines, drag to create curves, continue building your path, and finally click the first point again to close your shape. With a bit of practice, this tool becomes incredibly powerful and opens the door to advanced vector design. If this video helped you understand the pen tool a little better, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials, design tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.